Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials.
Please subscribe to dptutorials and click on the bell icon for notifications.
In this tutorial, let us learn how to count cells that contain errors in Excel. Here, we should be using the Iserror function to count cells that contain errors in Excel. Let's see with an example now in detail. Here, we have got some data along with some errors like this, and let us count them in cell F5. So I type formula in cell F5 as equals to sum product, open the bracket, give double negative, open the bracket, type Iserror, open the bracket, and now select the range as A5 to A11, close the bracket, and again close the bracket for the double negative, and finally close the bracket for sum product. And when you press enter, you get the result as 4, which is exactly the right answer as you can see in the data range. To understand how this formula works, you need to check my previous video on double negative formula in Excel. So friends, this is how to count cells that contain errors in Excel. I hope you have enjoyed this trick. If yes, please do give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.